In today's video, I'll show you how to edit or delete a message you've already sent in Microsoft Teams. This feature is extremely helpful when you need to fix a typo, clarify a message, or remove something that was sent by accident, helping you keep your conversations professional and accurate. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams. On the left-hand side of the app, you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Chat to access all your conversations in one place. Once you're in the chat section, scroll through your messages and find the specific conversation that contains the message you want to change. If you have a lot of active chats, take a moment to locate the correct one. When you've found the message, editing it is very easy. Hover your mouse over the message, and a few icons will appear on the right side. Click the pencil icon to edit the message. After clicking the pencil icon, the message becomes editable. You can now correct spelling mistakes, add missing details, or rewrite parts of the message to make it clearer. When you're finished editing, click the check mark icon to save your changes. The updated message will appear in the conversation, and other participants will see that the message has been edited. Now let's talk about deleting a message. If you sent a message to the wrong chat or decide that it's no longer needed, you can remove it completely. Hover over the message you want to delete, then click the three dots icon to open more options. From the menu, select Delete. The message will be removed from the conversation. Keep in mind that depending on your organization's policies, there may still be a record showing that a message was deleted. That's why it's always a good idea to double-check before sending messages in a professional setting. And that's it. You now know how to edit and delete messages in Microsoft Teams, giving you better control over your communication. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell.